Okay, we have the third question to solve, and it has to do with the same exponential equation. 3 exponent x squared plus 2 parentheses open 3 exponent x parentheses close minus 3 all equal to 0. Without wasting time, we put down solution because we need to find the values of x in the equation. That's what we need to find. And let's quickly know that we can set without, because this is a bit straightforward. We don't need to simplify further. So we set 3 exponent x equal to, we can use k. Alright, we can use q, we can use k, we can use any alphabet of our choice. Okay, let's use b is equal to b, right? Let's use letter d this time around. It won't change anything. It means anywhere in the equation where we see 3 exponent x, we substitute with b. That's what it means. So let's go. Here there is 3 exponent x, we substitute with b. It becomes b, all right, brackets squared, okay, plus, here we have 2, this becomes b, and then this becomes minus 3 all equal to 0. So we don't have much problems here. Okay, we move on. Let me take chalk. We move on again. What do we do here? Simplify further. We have b squared is 2 plus 2b, all right, minus 3 all equal to 0. Of course, at this point, we have generated a quadratic equation which can be simplified further using a factorization method. So if we do that, look at it very well. Look at it. We have plus 2, b minus 3. So what do you think happens here? What do you think that would be the proper way? This is first b, okay? We put it this way. We have, what do we have at this point? We have maybe 1, brackets close again, open again, we have b again, okay? So look at it. Look at it very well. So by the time we can still have plus 3, all right? All equal to 0. So let's check. I know that this can give us something important. Let's cross check and see if our factorization approach is correct. B times b is going to give us b squared. Good. B times plus 3 is going to give us 3b, right? Good. And then we have a minus 1 times this is going to give us a minus b. So 3b minus b is going to give us 2b. And then minus 1 times this is going to give us minus 3. So our factorization method is correct. We'll move on with that. So what do we do? Let me take chalk. My chalk finishes quick. So bear with me as I continue to take chalk. Alright, so we're dealing with this. This is b minus 1 all equal to 0. Therefore, b is equal to 1. The second one is b plus 3. b plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, b is equal to minus 3. So we have found the values of b, but we have not found the values of x. Take notes, and that is our concern here. We need to find the values of x, and from there, we move on. So how do we find the values of x? As usual, what we've been doing before now. So we move on with the 3x. We set this 3x, 3 exponent x is equal to the first value is 1. Can you see? The first value of b is 1. So we equate it to 1. And what does this mean? What is that number, that value that when you set x, we give you 1? Of course, you know it's 0. So by the time we set 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1, according to law of indexes, that any number powered to 0 is what? 1. Any number, no matter whatever the number is. If it is raised to power 0, the value is 1. So we have succeeded in finding this. It means that the value of x here is equal to 0, and that will give us 1. Solved. So let's look at the number. The second one, where we have b equals to minus 3. Minus 3. We go again. This is the first one, then the second one. We have 3 exponent x is equals to minus 3. Good. So what does this tell us? It tells us something important. That, of course, minus 3 has an exponent. That is 1, but it's unseen. Okay? So we have here x is equal to minus 1. So we don't waste our time. Yes. This will cancel out. This is carrying 1. So x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or minus 1. Let me write it where. X is equals to 0. That's the first one, 0. Okay, we have 0 or minus 1. This is the final answer, okay? This is the final answer. We have found the values of x to be 0 and minus 1. Take notes. I will leave you at this moment, but I urge you once again, subscribe, give me some thumbs up, share with your friends, networks, and students. Don't forget to put on the bell button for constant notification. I sign out at this point in time. Okay.